a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to make something using one of my favourite greens, which is cime di rapa. In America they're known as broccoli rabe, and what it is basically a more flavourful, slightly bitter kind of broccoli. So if you can't find them, you can replace them with regular broccoli and you'll be just fine. What I'm going to make are scacciate, which are a kind of rolled up pizza, which is well loved in Sicily. It's often a street food and a snack food. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a roll of supermarket pizza base to make these, because in the same way that I'm not going to bake a loaf of bread just to make a sandwich, I'm not going to go to all that trouble just to make these wonderful snacks. So they're going to be made really quickly. And what I'm going to add to the greens is a little bit of onion, some smoked scamorza cheese and some sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to add some fennel seeds because they're always great with greens. They help you digest them better and they taste great. And some sesame seeds on the outside to give it an extra crunch. It's going to be a really great snack, very easy to make. And if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, click on the link down below and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need a roll of pizza base, cime di rapa or broccoli, onion, smoked scamorza cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, sesame seeds and fennel seeds.